Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a meal that our family loves and that I love to make on the road. So we're going to be making broccoli cheddar casserole today with chicken. And here's what you need to do. So I shredded this chicken, about 2 cups of chicken in my Instant Pot, added a little bit of salt and pepper. So we're gonna add that in. Also about 2 cups of cooked broccoli florets. We're also going to add about 1 cup of cooked rice. Just white rice is fine. And I also need a 1/2 cup of milk, a can of broccoli cheese condensed soup, and the last thing we need is shredded cheddar cheese. About a cup, I would say. Sometimes I go a little heavy, but that's just because cheese is amazing. Now, you're just gonna kind of mix it all around. All right, so you want it to kind of look like this consistency, where it's all completely combined. All right, now we're gonna pour our filling into a 9x13 casserole dish. And I was worried I wouldn't be able to make this dish on the road because we love it so much, because I had heard that RV ovens were not great, but ours turned out to be awesome. So you're just gonna spread it into an even layer. Now you take your Ritz crackers. I have almost an entire sleeve.
Do you need them all?
I need them all.
Just one.
You can save 1 or 2 for snacking.
Just one.
You open this awful. How am I supposed to get these out? Don't let your husband open the Ritz cracker sleeve. They don't do it correctly. Come on. There's a seam for a reason. There we go. This is how it's supposed to open. I would put almost the entire sleeve in. You can save 1. Seal the bag. Then you're just gonna squish these all around to make the crumb topping. Make sure your bag is sealed. I've had it not all the way sealed before, and then the crumbs go everywhere. All right, that's pretty good. Here, take a look at this. So that's about what you want it to look like. Crushed crackers. All right, you need about a quarter cup. What is it? A tablespoon of butter, and you're gonna melt it. Okay? Ta-da! Now you're gonna pour the melted butter into your cracker crumbs. Reseal the bag. And give it a little slosh. Mix all that butter around. All right. Now you're gonna pour your cracker crumbs all over the top of your casserole. My boys always like to find the gigantic pieces and eat those. So just kind of make sure it's in an even layer. All right, we're gonna put it in a 375 oven for about 30 minutes. All right, our casserole is ready to come out. Nice golden topping. All right, let's dish her up.